What up, guys? Happy post-Christmas. Hope you guys had a great, awesome Merry Christmas with the family and friends. So let's get into it. We're gonna dive down into what we're gonna be doing for trading currency here. Let's go to back. So I had everything all set up for the weekly. All right. So we still plan on selling the US dollar back down to break 100. And then we'll see if it actually goes to break below back to 99. That's what I'd be expecting for this week. Now, overall, this is the last week of the year. I don't expect too much. Plus, we have New Year's weekend coming up this weekend. So I don't expect too much volatility or any high liquidity of trading. So I don't expect too much volume here. Let's see here. All right, so I'm expecting for US 30 to pull back down here. Let's see here. This is the doji candle, so we're looking for some kind of resistance here at this price. Um, Overall, it is still uptrending, so don't get too caught up on how high it's gonna go because it's already broken new records already for this year. So if it does not break above 30, what price I want to look at? Let me go on the monthly just to be okay. So on the monthly, you guys can see that it has been substantial growth and high, really high. New high for the US 30. Let's see. New high. Nope, not new high for that. Mm, New high for NAS 100 for sure. So, but that's all on the monthly. So hold on here. I'm going back to the weekly here. See. I'm still looking to short this price back down to 37,000 and then might shoot itself back up from there based on the 4 hour and the daily charts here. But that's on the weekly swing signal. So I plan to sell it back down for this week. S&P and NASDAQ, very similar setup, looking to short it back down for the few days here. We'll see how much more they can try and drive the price back up. So S&P is sitting at 47.6. I'm looking for it to come back down to 4,500 for retracement. And then looking to sell NASDAQ back down to 16.5. And then we'll see if it keeps going down from there. But overall, they are still uptrending, so don't get too caught up on trying to hold a massive sell. Gold, looking for gold. Oh, I forget what I had for gold. I think I had gold for. Oh, that's not it. What I have for gold? Gold for a buy. So looking for gold to go up to 2060 and then 2070. And then to break 2070 to keep going up to 2100. That's all I got. All right, so keep selling UJ. I'm looking for UJ. You can see the inverted hammer pin candle here going back down. Looking for UJ to come back down to 140. So hold on. I'll move this out of the way. Break 142 back down to 141, and then the next move would be to break 140. Euro, looking for Euro to keep going up. The next move for Euro would be 111, and then we will see if it breaks a strike and move up to 112. That'd be the next big move here. Pound is kind of losing its steam here, so we'll see where it goes. I do have a buy signal for the weekly swing. Looking for it to target its move back to 128. If it does not, then I'm going to sell it back down to 126. Euro British pound looking to buy this pair. Massive bullish candle going up. Looking for it to hit 87, and then the next move would be to break above 87.4 to 88. And then selling USWIS, it's already broken down its support price here. The next move would be to break 85 back down to 84. And then for UCAD, looking for UCAD to hit down to 132. And then once it breaks 132, the next move would be 130. And then we're buying Australia and the New Zealand dollar. Looking for the Australian dollar to hit 60. Hold on. Looking for it to hit 60. Hold on, what is this at? 68.7, 68.5. And then above that would be really targeting 69. And then for New Zealand, looking for it to hit 63.7. Very similar in price value and price structure with the Australian dollar. So, and then next move would be going up to 64. And then I don't think there's anything going on. There's still bank holidays for other countries as of today, following up with with the Christmas holiday from yesterday for today. So that's why I said I don't expect too much trading to be involved until probably tomorrow or tonight, and then Thursday will be your last day, and then Friday they're gonna close up early for New Year's. So there's not a whole lot for tomorrow for news, and there's not a whole lot going on for news on Thursday. And then, like I said, Friday, I wouldn't be surprised if they close the markets early, like what they did for on Friday morning, last Friday for before Christmas weekend started. So other than that, any questions, concerns regarding the analysis or the weekly swing signals, feel free to let me know. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys. And like I said, don't expect to trade too much for this week. Just let this week play out. Just do small trading, low leverage trading, and don't do anything high risk until we get into tax season for next year, for the beginning of January. Other than that, peace out, guys. All right, guys. Merry post Christmas, and I hope you guys had a great holidays. So let's get to it. We are back into trading. Now, I don't expect trading to be as volatile or high volume. So just get into the mix of just doing low trading, low volume, or just don't trade at all for these remainder of the week here to end the year here. So going into Bitcoin here, looking to sell all the cryptocurrencies. So I've been selling crypto since the weekend. Looking for Bitcoin come back down to 40,000, and then we'll see if it breaks down even further than that. Ethereum, looking to sell Ethereum back down to 2,100, and then we'll see if it breaks below 2,100 from there. Looking to sell Litecoin back to 70, and then we'll see if it breaks 70 back down to 68. That would be my next move. Shiba, looking to sell Shiba back down to the 1 mark, the 1,000 price mark here. So let me highlight here on the horizontal line. So right around here is where I want to look at the move for it to come back down. It doesn't come back down to break this, then and consolidating at this price range here. It's been consolidating over the weekend at the 1-1 mark. So let's take a look and see what's gonna happen for this week. Dogecoin coming back down to, oh, I don't have my horizontal lines here. Let's do it then. So looking for a Dogecoin to come back below 9 cents in value, back to 8.5 to 8 cents in value here for Dogecoin. Ripple, looking for Ripple to make a move back down to 60 cents and then to break 60 cents back down to 57 to 55. All right, so selling Neo, looking for Neo to make a move back down to $13 in value and break back down to $12 in value here. Selling Dash, I'm looking for Dash to come back down to 35 and then to break 35 back down to 34. And then next move would be to break all the way back down to 30. Solana has been on a big move here since this past week. It shot up all the way up to $126 in value. What a big jump from going from 70 to 126. Almost a double increase in value here. So big hype here, big move. Looking to short it back down to $100 and then back down to 90. And then we'll see if it tries to make one more big move to even break even higher. I think this is by far the highest price for Solana. Correct. No, maybe not. Okay, the highest price was 200. Nope, highest price was 260. So never mind. All right. So 260 was the highest. But I'm looking to short back down. Zcash, looking for Zcash to come back down to 30 and then to break back down to 29. And then we'll see if it goes below $29 in value. Finally, last but not least would be Tezos. Looking for Tezos to come back down to break back below $1 in value back to 95 cents and 90 cents here. Any questions and concerns in the weekly analysis or the the daily signals here? Like I said, I plan on just selling crypto for the remainder of this week. Like I said, this upcoming weekend is New Year's weekend, so don't expect too much volatility. I don't expect too much volatility this week. This is the last week of the year. Not too much. I don't expect too much volume as always. And like I said, it's gonna be really low, and just take it slow for this week. And then once we ramp up for tax season, starting mid-January, that's when what we're gonna start seeing. So other than that, uh, any questions, concerns? Let me know. Peace.